You're looking at a $25 bottle of blue liquid. To you, it's a bottle of Tide. But to the chemical industry, it's one of the biggest markups. The detergent industry has been quietly marking this up by over 900% for decades. And here's what's wild. The active ingredient in this bottle is sitting on the bottom shelf of your local Walmart right now in a yellow box for $4. But most people walk past it every week without realizing it's basically the same thing. And once you know what it is, you'll never buy the expensive version again. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn that $4 box into what I call white gold, a concentrated cleaning gel that does 300 loads of laundry for under $6. That's less than 2 cents a load. And here's the part nobody talks about. Your washing machine will actually come out cleaner in the process. No special equipment, no chemistry degree. But before I show you how to make it, you need to understand why this works in the first place. Because people didn't accidentally start paying $25 for glorified blue liquid. We were sold a cheap ingredient like it were something special. This wasn't a coincidence. It was designed that way. And the proof is sitting in a patent from 1946. Here's the secret detergent companies never advertise. 90% of every detergent bottle on that shelf is just water. Pour out a bottle of Tide, and 9 out of 10 ounces going down that drain is plain tap water with synthetic dye in it. The actual cleaning ingredients, the surfactants, make up less than 3% of the bottle. The rest is water, fragrance, stabilizers, coloring, and fillers designed to make the product look and feel premium. Which means every time you buy one of these giant plastic jugs, you're mostly paying $25 to ship water across the country. In the 1950s, the soap industry figured out something devious. They couldn't charge premium prices for raw cleaning ingredients. Anyone could buy those for pennies, so they did something else entirely. They added a scent. They called it Mountain Spring. They called it Ocean Breeze. And after a decade of advertising, the average American's brain was quietly rewired to associate that synthetic smell with the feeling of cleanliness. Not actual cleanliness, just the smell of it. That's the trick. And that $4 box sitting in Walmart right now has no scent, no dye, no marketing budget, just the ingredient that actually works. You don't actually know if your clothes are clean. You smell them. And if they smell like Mountain Spring, your mind says clean. That's not chemistry, that's conditioning. For 70 years, the fragrance in that bottle hasn't been cleaning your clothes, it's been cleaning your wallet. And now that you know that, let me show you what actually works. Here's what the detergent industry doesn't want on the back of that $25 bottle. Cleaning clothes actually requires 3 ingredients: a surfactant that breaks water's surface tension so it can actually penetrate fabric, a water softener that neutralizes the minerals in your tap water that fight against cleaning, and an alkaline booster that lifts oils and grease directly off the fiber. That's the entire science. No dye, no fragrance. Combined, they cost under $6, and they'll do 300 loads. And the craziest part? Every one of these ingredients is hiding in plain sight. You've walked past them 100 times. Now let me show you exactly what these 3 ingredients are and where you find them. The first ingredient is washing soda. You've walked past 100 times without knowing what it actually does. Washing soda, also chemically called sodium carbonate, has been used as a cleaning agent for over 200 years. Not baking soda, that's a different thing entirely, and it won't work. It raises the pH of your wash water, which breaks down grease and oil at a molecular level. The brand is Arm & Hammer Super Washing Soda, and it comes in a bright yellow 3-pound box. You can find it at Walmart for around $4.99 and on Amazon for about $6.
Sodium carbonate is the catalyst. When this hits water, it creates an alkaline environment with a pH of around 11, which helps loosen oils, sweat, and grime from fabric. This is the workhorse. It's cheap, simple, and incredibly effective, which is exactly why detergent companies had a problem with it. You can't really patent something this basic. So instead, they buried it inside a $25 bottle of blue water and hoped you'd never go looking. The second ingredient is borax. specifically 20 Mule Team Borax, a name that's been around since 1891. It comes in a green and white box, about $5 at Walmart, Target, or Home Depot, usually on the bottom shelf where nobody looks. Borax is a natural mineral. It's been pulled out of dried desert lake beds in California for over 100 years. Its job is to neutralize hard water. And if you don't know what hard water is, here's why it matters. Hard water wraps dissolved minerals around dirt particles and fuses them to your fabric at a microscopic level. Your clothes aren't actually getting clean, they're getting rinsed. Borax breaks those mineral bonds completely. Without it, you're essentially washing your clothes in liquid concrete. And yet, somehow, this 100-year-old natural mineral never made it into the $25 bottle. Ask yourself why. The third ingredient is Castile soap, and it's the oldest cleaning ingredient on this list by about 8 centuries. It's originally made from pure olive oil in southern Spain, and it's been cleaning things effectively since the Crusades. The brand to look for is Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile Bar Soap at around $4.50, or Kirk's Castile at about $2 a bar. Most grocery stores carry at least one of them. This is your surfactant, the soap molecule that physically grabs grease at one end and water at the other and pulls the two together so everything rinses clean. 1 bar of this replaces a full quart of liquid surfactant in commercial detergent. Now here's your total. Sodium carbonate, borax, and 1 bar of Castile soap, about $13 up front, but each batch gives you leftovers that roll into the next batch. Your real cost per year of laundry comes out to roughly $6. That means 2 cents per load. Now let me show you exactly how to turn these 3 things into what I call white gold. Now here's how to actually make it, and I promise this is easier than it sounds. Start with a bar of Castile soap and grate it using a regular cheese grater into a small saucepan. You want about 1 cup of soap flakes. Next, pour in 4 cups of hot water and place the pan on low heat. Stir slowly and consistently for about 10 minutes until every flake has completely dissolved in the water. Do not let it boil. The moment it boils, it foams up and the consistency gets ruined. While that's melting, grab a 5-gallon bucket, the orange ones at Home Depot are about $3.50, and fill it halfway with the hottest tap water your sink can provide. Pour the melted soap into the bucket, then add 1 cup of washing soda and 1 cup of borax. Stir it slowly with a long wooden spoon for a couple of minutes. As the chemistry kicks in, you'll notice it starts to thicken, and that's exactly what you want. Once that's done, fill the rest of the bucket with cold water and snap the lid on. Then leave it alone overnight. Within 12 hours, the entire bucket turns into this thick, semi-translucent gel that looks almost identical to commercial detergent. That's white gold. What you have now is a concentrated laundry detergent that can last for around 300 loads, depending on how much you use each time. For a family of 4, that can easily cover close to a year of laundry. And using it is simple. You only need about half a cup per load. Just scoop it into the drum or add it to the detergent tray if you're using a front loader. It dissolves instantly in any water temperature. I know what you're thinking. Does it actually clean as well as Tide? Here's the honest answer. For everyday laundry, cotton, synthetics, kids' clothes, and workout gear, it outperforms most commercial detergents because there's nothing in it fighting against the chemistry. Now, you might be wondering, will this destroy my high-efficiency washing machine? So listen, those suds you see in commercial detergent, they don't clean anything. Suds are air bubbles only. That's it. The detergent industry engineered them specifically because consumers associated foam with effectiveness, the same conditioning trick as the fragrance. And in modern high-efficiency machines, those suds actively clog drainage sensors and cause error codes that cost hundreds of dollars to fix. This recipe produces almost no suds because it doesn't need to. It's using actual soap chemistry. And here's the part that should genuinely anger you. Washing machines before the 1950s were designed to run on exactly this kind of soap chemistry. Then the synthetic detergent industry lobbied to change the engineering standard. They didn't just change what we put in our machines, they changed the machines themselves to create dependency on a product that is 90% water. There's one more dimension to this that goes beyond money. Synthetic detergents contain optical brighteners, synthetic fragrance, and petroleum-based dyes that have no cleaning function whatsoever. For most people, these are invisible, But for children with eczema, people with fragrance-triggered migraines, and anyone with sensitive skin, every laundry day feels like a reaction waiting to happen. Free and clear detergents market themselves as the solution, but they still contain synthetic surfactants. This recipe contains none of those things. 3 natural ingredients, no fragrance, no optical chemicals, just clean fabric. So, let's recap what you just learned. The $60 billion laundry industry sells you a plastic bottle that's 90% water and 10% ingredients you can buy for $6. 3 minerals, washing soda, borax, and Castile soap replace every premium detergent on that shelf. A 5-gallon bucket lasts a family of 4 for an entire year, and your clothes come out cleaner, not dirtier. You now know exactly what a $60 billion industry is counting on you not knowing. The next time you walk past that shelf at Walmart, you'll see it differently. You'll see the markup, you'll see the water, you'll see the trick. If this saved you money, hit the like button. It tells the algorithm to show this video to other people getting ripped off. And if you want the next material science trick that replaces an even bigger household markup, the video on your screen right now shows you exactly that. Take care, and I'll see you in the next.